Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SoldWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SoldWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain fillet general failure in SoldWorks. So left side you can see there is a failure in the fillet, and right side the fillet after correction. See here, this is the failure in the fillet. This side you can see the fillet. See here. So this is the component I am going to demonstrate. Select the fillet. See, when I apply the fillet, see, it is showing the preview, it's going inside. So when I apply other side, see, it's perfectly creating. See here, I am going to apply the other side. So this kind of feature is not required during manufacturing. So what could be the reason? So I am going to suppress this. So I am going to select this boss. So edit this. So we have to merge the results. See here, left side you can see the merge the results. We have to select this option and just say OK. Now I am going to apply the fillet. See, it is creating now. So we have to very much cautious during creating additional feature and applying fillet on it. See here, when we go to this boss, there is a merge results. So once again I am going to apply the fillet. See here, so this is a general failure during, especially in plastic components. So we should be very much cautious while creating additional feature. So this is brief about fillet failure in SoldWorks. Thanks for watching.